If you work with spreadsheets in LibreOffice Calc, one of the fastest ways to clean up your sheet is to automatically fit your column width to the content. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to auto-fit column width in LibreOffice Calc in just a few seconds. This is super useful when your text is getting cut off, your numbers are not fully visible, or you simply want your spreadsheet to look cleaner and more professional. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you'll usually see the Start Center on the left side. Under the Create section, click on Calc Spreadsheet if you want to start a new spreadsheet. Or, if you already have a file you're working on, just open your existing spreadsheet instead. This method works the same either way, so you can use it on a brand new sheet or an existing one. Now that your spreadsheet is open, look for the column you want to resize. You can auto-fit just one column or do multiple columns if needed. Click the column letter at the top to select it. For example, if you want to adjust column A, click the A header. If you want more than one column, you can drag across the column letters to highlight them together. Once the column is selected, move your mouse cursor to the right edge of the column letter header. You want to place it exactly on the border between one column and the next. When you do this correctly, the cursor will change into a resize icon. This tells you that the column can now be adjusted. Here's the key step. When the resize cursor appears, double-click that edge. LibreOffice Calc will instantly auto-fit the column width to match the longest content inside that column. That means your text should no longer be cut off, and your column will expand just enough to display the data properly. If you have several columns that all need resizing, you can select them first and then double-click the right edge of one of the selected columns. Calc will adjust the width based on the content in those columns. This is a very quick way to tidy up large spreadsheets without manually dragging each column one by one. And if the column becomes too wide, you can always repeat the process or resize it manually after auto-fitting. The goal is to make your spreadsheet easier to read and better organized, especially when you're working with long names, email addresses, dates, or other detailed information. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can auto-fit column width in LibreOffice Calc and instantly improve the look of your spreadsheet. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.